Lahore High Court has probed in the Protection Against the Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2010, and Justice Kamran Raheel of Lahore High Court has given a new ruling saying that the term or the definition of workplace is broad and expansive, and it covers the situations like official activities that are not specifically happening within the premises of office, but they could also take place in the localities outside offices, maybe at homes or different other localities, but the situation must be related to professional or official activity. Development actually took place because a district manager named Umar Shehzad was accused by his female subordinate of harassment, where inappropriate WhatsApp messages, indecent glances were the consistent routine of the professional workplace between this district manager and his subordinate ad hoc teacher. She also alleged Umar Shehzad that one day on her residence he showed up and tried to rape her, and then fled away as her assistant, as his subordinate dialed the number of 15 for the police rescue services. The petitioner Umar Shehzad had, with all his audacity, petitioned in the Lahore High Court that the alleged event had taken place at the residence of his female assistant, which does not have anything to do with the workplace. But Lahore High Court Justice Kamran Raheel reiterated his ruling by said that the workplace covers a lot of situations and has a broader definition, that any official activity associated to this definition would be considered as workplace, and thus the blackmailing and the torturing from the termination of that female's office by the district manager establishes the nexus of workplace in this event as well. The Provincial Ombudsperson of Punjab had taken the case to the Lahore High Court, where Lahore High Court did not only upheld the broader and expansive definition of workplace under the Protection of Women Against the Harassment in the Workplace Act 2010, but also penalized the district manager Umar Shehzad with the removal of his with the removal from his service. This new ruling of Lahore High Court by Justice Kamran Raheel has set a new precedent, and where it is appreciated and praised by the citizens of Punjab, and also gave a greater amount of hope to the women, especially the female of Punjab, as any sort of harassment in the workplace will be now countered with a befitting response in the form of justice that would be frequent.